Hi everybody, welcome to Hippie Chick Arts. It's our Christmas in July special, and we're going to be having YouTube videos every day this week. So this is our first video, and this is a hot chocolate packet with a straw, a special stirrer, and a candy cane. So let's get started and see how we do it. We start with a piece of paper that is 8.5 by 5 inches. And we are going to score that. Let me get my score tool. We score that at 4 inches and 8 inches. So along the long side, we scored at 4 inches and at 8 inches. And then we turn it and we score it. And this has got a directional pattern, so we want to make sure that the reindeer are the right direction up, and we score it at 4.5 inches. Okay, and then we want to fold and burnish everything. We have just a little bit of cutting to do. I'm going to use my little scissors. We're going to cut this across here like that. And then we're going to cut up this line here. This is going to be the front of our thing. Okay? So we're going to cut this one away. Okay, we're going to snip off the corner here. We're going to get our red line tape out, and we're going to glue it up. We're going to close it all up. We're going to put the tape right along the outside edge. Okay, there we go. This packet fits in just perfect. We can put our candy cane in there and our straw. Okay. And then this here just happens to be a half of a barbecue bamboo skewer. And I just cut it in half, and then we'll put a sticker on it. And the sticker comes from the Echo Park's A Perfect Christmas paper pack. Okay, so let's pull out the sticker that we want to use. And I was thinking they have, where's the opening? The opening's down here. They have this beautiful little, cute little Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, and I thought we would use that. Put him on here like so. There we go. And we need a piece of scratch paper to help hold him still on here. So hang on while I grab my scrap paper.